After spending over a year renovating our outdoor living space, we know every one of the pain points that still need to be addressed before the project is truly complete. One of these checklist items was to create a solution to prevent west afternoon sun from beaming into that space, burning the backs of our necks and creating an intense glare on our outdoor TV while we watch college football every weekend. So we knew we had to come up with a solution to solve the problem permanently. Originally, I looked into ordering some indoor remote-controlled screens from Amazon. While they weren't really built for outdoor use, I thought they might be a satisfactory solution to our problem. Then I realized that the Amazon screens would really just be a temporary solution and probably a big waste of money in the long run. They also weren't custom cut sizing, so I knew they wouldn't be the perfect fit. So I sent an email to my friend and CEO of Phantom Screens, Esther DeWald, to sheepishly tell her what my plans were so she could pitch me all the reasons why I should choose Phantom over the Amazon screens. It didn't take long before she had completely convinced me that the Amazon screens would have been a pretty big waste of our money, given our humid environment and how close they'd be installed to our saltwater pool. Phantom screens not only have motors made exclusively for outdoor weather conditions, they are completely customizable from size to color to opacity of the screen. Since we were mostly concerned with the blocking of light into our football patio, I chose a screen with 90% opacity and went with a neutral color from their long list of color options. As it turns out, the 90% opacity also offers a good bit of wind block, so when we use the space in the winter, the wind won't cut through the space like it used to. Total bonus that I didn't expect. It took the team just a few hours to install the screens, and I've been ecstatic about how they function for us so far. Not only can they be used with a remote control, they can also be operated with an app on my phone, just in case I'm away from home or laying in bed when I realize I want to put the screens up or down. We still have a few more items to check off the to-do list before our outdoor living space is 100% complete, but these screens have been one of the single things that have made the biggest difference for us out here.